Good morning. It's Thursday, May 30th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update showing some activity in lower Alabama this morning. Showers, a couple of thunderstorms there, especially west of I-65. And then we also see some green popping up in southwest Georgia. Most of that is not reaching the ground, just the radar looking for anything that it can possibly find and telling us that we do have a little more humidity beginning to move into southwest Georgia. And it looks like those showers in Alabama will fade out for the most part as it reaches the Georgia-Alabama line. But we could see a few light showers as we move through the morning hours all the way up to about noon today for parts of southwest Georgia. But for the most part, we're going to stay dry across the state. Temperatures are starting out cool in the north. How about 48 in Blairsville? Yes, and dry air at that. So a nice, cool, crisp start up in the North Georgia mountains. We have some upper 50s in parts of North Georgia as well. We get into the 60s in the mid-state and some 70s showing up in South Georgia. Just want to take a look at that dew point, too. Always like to look at that just to see where we are as far as what helps the showers develop. So we do have those low 60s there in southwest Georgia. So, again, favorable atmosphere for some rain, but then very dry air up in metro Atlanta and northbound. Let's take a look at the modeling through the morning hours. We see those light showers over Columbus. Could be stretching down toward Albany as well. Going to be pretty hard to find a shower as far west as Valdosta or east of I-75, but it's possible. Otherwise, we'll start to see all that fade out as we move through the early afternoon hours. And then we move into the late afternoon. Pretty quiet, just a mix of sun and clouds. We're going to notice a little more humidity down in southwest Georgia. The rest of the state could see a couple of extra clouds today, but looks like we stay rain-free through the evening and overnight hours tonight. This sets up for a pretty good fog situation, especially south of I-16 as we get started tomorrow morning. Fairly calm wind. We know that humidity's there, so look out for the fog tomorrow morning. A couple of scattered showers could pop up, mainly in West Georgia as we get going through the mid-morning hours tomorrow. Otherwise, another day of mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures will be tolerable, and that humidity still not bad at all in North Georgia, Middle Georgia. Just going to notice it in the southern part of the state. And then as we move into tomorrow evening, we're showing a few thunderstorms possible down along the Georgia-Florida lines. We'll watch out for that. Nothing severe expected, but just dodging a couple of isolated showers. Not a big deal. And our rain chance will increase as we head into the weekend. As we head into next week, going to be back in that summertime pattern again with warm temperatures back in the 90s, scattered showers and thunderstorms pretty much every day. So enjoy this dry spell because it is going to change. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.